Hello students, today we are going to learn about the obtaining the relationship between angle of incidence and angle of refraction. For this, materials required are pro circle, scale, black painted plank, semicircular glass slab and a pencil and a laser light. I have already drawn a pro circle at the bottom of a paper. Here MM is the interface between two medias, NN is a normal. Now I am going to place semicircular glass slab on that its diameter coincides with the MM interface. Now I am going to incident a light ray passing through NN, which is the normal, the light ray which is coming out from the NN, which we have already showed in this particular practical. It shows clearly the angle of incidence is 0 in the rarer medium, that is in the air medium. When it is passed through the denser medium, the angle of refraction is also 0. Now I am going to consider the angle of incidence is 20 degrees. The angle of refraction we got is 15 degrees, which showed. Now the angle of incidence I am going to increase with 30 degrees. The angle of refraction we got as 20 degrees, 22 degrees approximately. Now the angle of incidence I am going to increase with 40 degrees. The angle of refraction we got is 26 degrees approximately. Now I am going to increase the angle of incidence towards 50 degrees. Angle of refraction we got as 30 degrees. This shows the angle of incidence is more in rarer medium. The angle of refraction is less in denser medium, which shows the light ray entering from rarer medium to denser medium. With this activity, we can say the relationship between angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Here we are going to get the values what we have got, the angle of incidence and angle of refraction with the equation what we have, that is Snell's law sin I by sin R, to evaluate the refractive index of this glass slab. Finally we will get the sin I by sin R, the ratio sin I by sin R will get as constant.